Today we're going to talk about how to find direct objects and indirect objects. Rule is we're not going to overthink this. A sentence, any sentence, must have a subject and a verb. We know that the subject is the person, place, or thing doing the verb thing. And the verb is that action or state of being. Here's an example. Franklin baked. We know that Franklin is baking something. That's all we know, though. We can label Franklin as the subject and baked as the verb. Then we start to wonder, who or what did Franklin bake? Now, I really hope he's not baking a person. So we just ask ourselves, we go to the verb, and we ask ourselves, well, what did Franklin bake? The answer will be the direct object. In this situation, Franklin baked a pie. So we label that as DO for direct object. But then we start to wonder, well, for whom did he make this pie? To whom or for whom? We find out that he made it for Sadie. So directly his hands were baking a pie, but he was doing it for someone named Sadie. Here's a visualization. Here is the actor, Franklin. He is the subject. What did he do? He baked, and this is what he baked directly. This pie received the action of his baking. But who was he doing it for? For whom? Sadie. So indirectly, maybe he was doing it to catch Sadie's eye. So remember, to find the direct object, two things. First, find the verb, then ask yourself, the subject is verbing whom or what? Baking what? A pie. And to find the indirect object, you have to have a direct object. In fact, this is a pretty good rule to remember. There's no way that a sentence can have an indirect object if it does not have a direct object. So first you find the direct object and you ask yourself, for whom? To whom? Let's look at another example. We've got Joe, and Joe threw. What did he throw? He threw the ball. Well, to whom did he throw the ball? He threw Bob the ball. So that gives us our indirect object. Stacia sent, what did she send? She sent what? She sent her love. To whom did she send her love? Stacia sent her love to Grandpa. But you'll notice that the word to or for is not actually in the sentence. It would change into a prepositional phrase if that were so. I said earlier, don't overthink it.